Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will review the weekly market watch in which I tell you the tokens, a potential token with potential trading setup for the week. So let's dive in. Let's talk about what is happening in the crypto market. Now we start with the top tokens, especially Ethereum, because Bitcoin is kind of stagnating, and by the look of it, it feels like it is going down. So first of all, we talk about Ethereum, and just look at here, right over here. So we are already short on Ethereum from the last week, the trade that I shared. And you can see here for the most part of the week, it actually went down, which means it actually hit my first TP target, which is around 2750, but then retraced back up. So you can clearly see the bulls and bears are fighting in this trade. Of course, no one is winning right now, but I think in the long term, especially in the next 2 weeks, the bears can win because if you look at the daily chart, which is right over here, it is making a very bearish head and shoulder pattern. And when you have this pattern in place, that means the trend is about to go like this, which is, by the way, it is going already lower high, lower low. But if you expand it, I think the lower highs, lower lows is about to go further down, and we can actually witness it crossing down to the level of 2,400 or maybe as low as $2,000. That is quite possible because if you zoom out, you can see the possibility of the trend. This particular pattern is going with the trend, so possibility of it going below or to $2,500 is quite possible. So that's about Ethereum. Of course, I am running short on this trade already, and those of you who are platinum members, they know they have taken the trade and they know they're already in profit. And of course, it's a lot of patience, but again, I think the result will be great, and I will share it in my gold Telegram group and of course on platinum, Twitter group. So this is about Ethereum. The second trade that I have for you is virtual, which looks very weak for now. But I think if you look at here in the weekly chart, so in the weekly market watch, we analyze the weekly chart to predict the direction of the next week trend. And here also you have kind of same pattern. Everything is bearish, but if you look closely, it is now kind of trapped in this kind of triangular pattern. So, what I believe for the next week onwards, it may rise up, which means it may rise up to the level of $1. That is possible. But again, we are in a bear trend, so I can't confirm. So, that may be a 50-50 chance for it to go back down. But again, since it's crashing, I think the lowest point can go here is from this white line, which is right over here, this line, which will take it to nearly 50 cents or below. So, I think the retracement might occur in virtual, and that can take it to this 50 EMA dynamic resistance, which is red line and your blue line, and that is nearly closer to $1. So from 70 cents to $1 is quite possible if there is a reversal in AI tokens, which is right now not been happening. But also we have a Christmas season, we have a holiday season coming up, so I highly doubt there's a big pump or dump happening next week until unless there's a big news, big announcement, especially by Trump. So these two tokens are my target. The next token that I have is Solana, which of course most of you guys are waiting for, and I already talked about it. I think it has a power to go to $100, which means it can actually decelerate and continue the downtrend to nearly $100. And when that happens, of course, that is when we see reversal. But for now, look at this head and shoulder, the big head and shoulder that is made right over here, here, and here. So what I believe the next step for this token is downwards to nearly $100. Let me remove it up. And if I just look at here, I believe it is at a key support level of $125. If you look at a daily chart, you can clearly see this is trying hard to go back up. But again, these two candles have failed it. So what I predict for this token is to go back down again. It has failed here. It might go down to let's say $100. The weekly and daily and of course the short time frames are in line. We still have, by the way, dynamic 50 EMA resistance on the 4-hour chart, which is or which shows a good bearish momentum. So these trades look quite bearish. I think Solana short, I think it's a good. Ethereum short looks good. Virtual can play the long game, maybe to $1, but overall market is quite bearish. So these are the three tokens that I'm trying. I have the next token with me, and that is my hype token, which is right over here. So you can see hype token, as I predicted last week, it is now decelerating, it is going down, and I believe it can actually go to as low as this particular support level. Let me draw it. By the way, if you want to learn about support and resistance, I have covered it in my masterclass for the gold members, and for the platinum members you can click on the link above to know about that course, and you can join it by just being my member. That's it. And if you have not subscribed it, I urge you to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to continue watching market watch videos, which is actually reserved for silver, platinum, and gold, but I'm giving it for free for few weeks from now. So look at here. This can be next big support for this token, which is close to $20. So I won't be surprised that hype can go to $20. That makes it a very good buying point. We have a death cross. You have 20 MA, 50 MA, coming closer, making a death cross. So again, overall, every token looks bearish to me for now, for next week. And of course, people are going to take out their money, they're going to celebrate and take out their profit if they made it, and overall the market is quite negative for the next week. That is what I predict. January can be changed, but of course overall I will remain bearish. And the next token in line that I'm reviewing is, of course, your this one. Where it is, it was your ICP token. Yes, ICP surprised in December, of course, because the pump in November and December, but then dumped like it always do. But if you look closely on the weekly chart, it is making a very interesting comeback, making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows to nearly $2, then may rise up to $5 before going down. And if there is a bull run, I think it can easily cross to $14, the favorite retracement this area, before moving down. So clearly, this is a long term play. I'm not saying that you should buy or sell it, but I believe buying ICP below $2 can give you good returns in 2026. Once it starts climbing to, let's say, $5, that will like 2x your return. So I think that's a good investment below $3. But again, that's a long game that I predicted, because this is weekly chart, and weekly chart takes time to give you results or show you the direction of the trend. So clearly, overall, these are the token. Most of them are quite bearish to me. Only few looks bullish, but I don't think they are very bullish enough. So this is about this week. Of course, if you are new here, please do remember to subscribe, press the bell icon, and make sure to join the public group, which I created just yesterday, few days back, so that you can continue the conversation on the public group if you are not a member. And yeah, that's about it. I think I've covered a lot for this week. We will meet in 2026 now with a new market watch, new videos. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.